Feed the auger slowly and rotate the handle gently to break up clogs without pushing debris further into the trap. An auger should be fed until you meet resistance. Then rotate the handle clockwise with steady, gentle pressure while maintaining a slow feed to avoid driving the obstruction deeper. Keep the cable centered in the bowl and use short, controlled strokes to work the head through the trap rather than long, forceful pushes that can snag porcelain or jam the cable. Retract the cable slightly at regular intervals to check progress and clear any collected debris on the coil before continuing, because built-up material increases the chance of reblocking. If you feel a sudden give, pull back a little and then push again while continuing rotation so the head can break the plug into smaller pieces you can flush or extract. Use a toilet auger specifically shaped for toilet bends rather than a straight plumbing snake, since its shielded head protects the porcelain and the curve matches the internal shape. Wear gloves and keep a bucket and old towels ready to handle expelled waste hygienically and to inspect the cable for damage after use. A common mistake is feeding the cable too quickly, which simply pushes debris deeper and makes the clog harder to remove. The fix is to slow your feed and rotate gently so the head bites into the clog. Another frequent issue is forcing the auger past strong resistance, which can warp or kink the cable and scratch the bowl. Stop when resistance is extreme and try reversing and gently working the obstruction free instead of brute forcing. People often skip retracting to inspect the cable, which hides accumulated waste and creates secondary clogs. Periodically pull the cable back, clean the coil, and continue disposing of waste safely. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners connect with local contractors for jobs related to plumbing and other home work. Our community discussions let us share practical tips and real experiences so homeowners and contractors can learn from each other and find work or clients.